Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now in this video I want to show you how to clean your OPPO A16 USB port using home remedies. Never use metal object to clean the connector, so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is a piece of paper in my port. To get it out, first, if you have, you need to take the cover off and take the toothbrush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of the toothbrush in the USB port and try to gently pry the piece of paper out. So put the one part of the toothbrush in your port, one part only, and gently try to pry out the piece of paper. Great! Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon again. Bye!